Alright, so we're in friggin' neighbor Jim's yard. The one thing that friggin' sucks about this yard, I can't fit my damn mowers through it. So I gotta friggin' cut his grass later on this weekend, and well, I gotta get my Cub Cadet out of the friggin' out of the shed. I mean, that thing's friggin' buried back there, so friggin' gotta get that done. My buddy Dwayne there, he just called me. He said he might have a motor for me, along with a couple of other tractors, so well, I guess we'll have to find out. But right now, let's friggin' get this thing out of here. Hey, the fuck? Oh, not neutral, son of a bitch. Gotta love yard beaters. Thing friggin' runs excellent, I gotta say. I like how those things drive. So, friggin', yeah, gonna repost that Powercraft in a couple minutes. And, yeah, I guess we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Alright, for the last few days now, I've noticed that my pump wasn't putting out enough pressure when I just actually emptied the pond. So I friggin' ran it. It wouldn't even get pressure up to it. So looks like the friggin' main seal friggin' leaked inside of it, and all the little coolant oil and crap and all that stuff is just friggin' dicked. So I guess I'm gonna have to friggin' get a new pump. I'm getting tired of fucking with it. So oh shit, it's friggin' raining out again. Son of a bitch, gotta get the deer in. Ah shit, buddy, gotta get my deer. Hopefully don't start freaking pouring. Oh, seat's wet. Come on. Oh shit. It's freaking raining out again. Yeah, just from that quick little drive. Freaking decked my door again. Ah, this time, oop, nope, didn't deck it too bad. Oh, I think that was just lightning. Huh. Guess we just call this video a freaking rainy ass day. Big time. Alright, well I'm freaking going in the house. I'm getting tired of getting wet. And it's gonna start raining inside, so. Son of a bitch. Alright, well I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this shitty video of mine. If you don't like my videos, then don't rate and subscribe.